RCB vs Delhi Capitals, a cliffhanger in store. Interestingly, only two teams that have won three matches are the Delhi Capitals and Royal Challengers Bangalore. Both these teams are separated only by net run rate at the moment and are going to be playing against each other in this next IPL 2020 match on Monday at Dubai International Stadium. And the winner is going to hold the clear top position on the table while the other a step downwards. Hence, this clash is going to be an interesting matchup. Added to that, one can witness how the spin-heavy RCB can fare against pace-dominated DC. The conditions are also expected to matter even more for the bowlers in Dubai than they are in Sharjah. Another interesting factor is that while RCB had won the previous match against RR on the strength of its bowling, Delhi Capitals became to set highest total of 228 on board in this IPL edition so far. For RCB, getting 3 wickets in power play, that is Butler, Smith and Sanson, ripped their heart out of RR batting and RCB always remained ahead after that. RCB skipper Virat Kohli finding his form back with the bat is another big plus for the team. He is a world-class batsman and if he starts firing, then it's difficult for any bowler to contain. Hence, RCB gets into the match against DC confidently as it has most of the things resolved. Finch, Padikkal, Kohli and AB de Villiers form a very strong batting lineup. We still think there is some room for RCB to be a bit more enterprising with the bat throughout their innings, otherwise it could cost them against strong batting teams. However, the real strength for RCB though is its bowling. Yuzvendra Chahal has been magnificent in IPL 2020. Not only has he been able to pick wickets, but also kept the runs down. He also gives Kohli the option to attack at any stage of the inning. In fact, Kohli had been using spin inside the power play so successfully. Both Chahar and Sundar Washington bowled in the first 4 overs against RR. We think he will continue to use the same tactics against Delhi as well. But, on the other hand, Delhi Capitals team too got relieved from Sharjah with a win to their name. They scored 228 runs and that seemed to be less at one point in the match. What are the positives from the match? The form of Shreyas Iyer for sure. The fact is that Shikhar Dhawan and Prithvi Shaw are also tearing the bowling apart consistently to be a big positive sign for the team. Similarly, the bowling attack for DC can take some confidence from the manner in which they bowled in the power play. However, the injury to Amit Mishra is going to be a bit of a concern. The veteran leg spinner has been bowling very well but could not complete his overs in the previous match. DC may have to go back to the combination of Ashwin and Axar, yes, their original choice, if Mishra does not recover in time. The depth in the squad that DC has is amazing. Players like Ishant Sharma, Ajinkya Rahane and Alex Carey are waiting for a chance to make their place in the playing 11. We also think that DC lines up very well against the RCB team. It has players that are very good at playing spin and the bowling attack that will challenge RCB's brittle batting. Knowing well it is difficult to predict, yet RCB and Virat Kohli to your channel appear more than determined to make it to the playoffs, while none can undermine Delhi Capitals, which is also blossoming into one of the challenger to try their luck in this edition. Having said that, we wish to back RCB simply because of Virat Kohli's new form and give 51:49 in their favour. Teams: RCB, Aaron Finch, Devdutt Padikkal, Virat Kohli, Captain, Chris Morris, Gurkirat Singh Mann, Isru Udana, Moeen Ali, Pawan Deshpande, Pawan Negi, Shahbaz Ahmed, Shivam Dube, Washington Sundar, AB de Villiers, Josh Philippe, Parthiv Patel, wicketkeeper, Dale Steyn, Ken Richardson, Mohammad Siraj, Navdeep Saini, Umesh Yadav, Yuzvendra Chahal. Delhi Capitals: Shreyas Iyer, Captain, Ravichandran Ashwin, Avesh Khan, Alex Carey, Tushar Deshpande, Shikhar Dhawan, Shimron Hetmyer, Sandeep Lamichhane, Amit Mishra, Axar Patel, Rishabh Pant, wicketkeeper, Harshal Patel, Kimo Paul, Kagiso Rabada, Ajinkya Rahane, Prithvi Shaw, Marcus Stoinis, Ishant Sharma, Mohit Sharma, Anrich Nortje, Daniel Sams. This is MS Purti for Orange News 9 TV.
For unbiased, accurate, and in-depth news analysis, watch Orange News 9 TV on YouTube. Subscribe. Press bell icon, like, comment, and share. Edited and promoted by seasoned journalist M.S. Shankar.